welcome back to my channel. This is my Budapest vlog. This is gonna be a Budapest vlog today. Well, in like 1 hour, yeah, so in 2 hours actually, we are going for a little trip to see my friends and also, well, to just explore Budapest. I'm literally in my towel, just getting ready. I washed my hair, my bag is packed. I am ready and my luggages are packed. This is mine, this is Paul's luggage. I am just waiting for him to get back from work because today he was closing. I wonder why would he be closing if his flight is at 2:30. But of course, I guess the manager didn't know, so he has to close today. What is this spot? Okay, what is the cab? The cab gonna be at 2:30. Paolo gonna arrive in maybe 30 minutes. And we're gonna go find it. The cab is finally here and we are going downstairs. It's like 3 a.m. Where we are?
We already in the airport. Ready to go to Brighton.
We're going to Budapest.
Budapest, sorry. I'm traveling myself in the luggage today. Yeah.
Here I am.
The luggage.
The luggage. It's really cold outside. Apparently it's gonna be -2 and in Budapest it's even colder. So it's a cold holiday. But we're gonna have fun and we're gonna drink tequila to keep us warm.
That's what she said. The lady, she never drinks alcohol.
Actually, last time when we've been here to Luton, when I went to Moldova, it was so busy. Now it's actually fine. О, привет на 100 лет! Привет на 100 лет! We passed the cameras. We passed the passport control. And now we are going upstairs. Maybe have some breakfast or what? Breakfast time. Breakfast. Ну все, I found it. Blueberry pancakes. Чё? $7.25. 2 pancakes. Is it enough for me? What are you gonna have? Let me guess. Pizza? Because you're Italian. It was a joke. We are about to board on the plane. Now we're in a bus, which is gonna take us to the very, very good travel. Oh, it's very, very cold. I think I'm gonna be freezing in Budapest. Hello! This is for you. ¿Cómo estás? Because I don't know how to speak Hungarian. This is a Hungarian cab. We are getting in. One second. I arrived in Cornelia's house. We just unpacked. To be honest, I didn't put the camera on because I completely forgot. This is Cornelia.
Hello.
This is her husband, Christian.
Hello.
And they're gonna be present in my vlog. After we had some food and conversation, now we are going through the city and Cornelia gonna tell us everything about the city.
Yes, I'm gonna be their guide.
Her husband gonna be home because he has a problem with his leg. And Pauline is rolling already the 7th cigarette. Seriously, Pauline.
This is for you, by the way.
This is how he's trying to quit. Oh, this
Sugar, vanilla.
oh, I want the cinnamon one.
Cinnamon.
So this is
Perfect choice.
it's called kurto kalac, and it's something Hungarian traditional. So this is how our kurto kalac looks. Cornelia is showing it to you.
This is how happiness looks like. You see?
Exactly, because all I want to be is healthy.
I know some basic
healthy.
phrases.
So I have a healthy soya latte and a
Thank you very much.
very healthy doughy thing. We are just walking, and I don't know. We're going to Basilica.
No,
no?
to Parliament.
We're going to Parliament. I don't know why Paul is always laughing for me like I'm stupid.
Basilica is in Rome.
Yeah, here really. You know what I mean? Like he thinks I'm stupid, but actually he's stupid, and we both stupid. Okay, we are approaching the Parliament, which apparently is one of the most beautiful wedding buildings. What am I thinking about? What I really got the pressure. It's the most beautiful building in Europe. Not the most, but one of. I'm gonna show it to you right now. You got that thing, you got that thing, got you, I won't let you run it around for so long. You got that thing, you got that thing, you got that thing, got you, I won't let you run it around for so long. You got that thing, you got that thing, you got that thing, got you, I won't let you run it around for so long. Take a look on this, and when the sun shines, it's an amazing view, and the sky is so blue. It's actually really warm today. I would say just my hands are freezing because I'm holding my camera on a stick, but it's amazing. Oh my god, let me show you one more time. How fantastic is this? It's like a guy on a horse. Oh, there's something about guys on a horse. They're pretty cool. Now we are going to walk along the river. Oh, I can see some snow. So it probably was cold recently. That why it's still snow around. Yeah, we're going to walk along this river, freeze our bumps. Oh, there's another guy on a horse. I mean, hello, how you doing? So we finally arrived to Buda Castle. We crossed the bridge and then we went up. It was literally like a mini workout because my bum is like burning. Maybe because I'm the most unfittest person in the world. This is Buda Castle, and apparently Katy Perry filmed her video clip called Fireworks inside of it. So we literally can sniff Katy Perry's sweat over here. Oh, I'm not sure if we're gonna go inside. We're going inside? Just no. No. So in Vienna and actually in Hungary, they have similar statues, and this statue apparently is made here and dedicated to people who died of tumor. I have no idea how it's called in English. I am gonna write it